All right, this is Warm Sun, Cool Moon. So for this project, you are going to need a piece of paper. We're going to keep it landscape, which is sideways. A large bowl or plate or just something round to trace that will fit on your paper without going over the edge. I found this bowl fits nicely, and notice that I've got a little bit of room on each side of the short side of my paper. I've got a pencil and I'm ready to go. So I'm going to try to center this as best I can. And I'm going to go ahead and trace my bowl. Okay, so this is going to become my sun and my moon. I'm done with my bowl. I will just set it aside. Now we're going to go ahead and put in that moon shape with that sort of crescent C shape. And then we're going to add a nose to that. Give it a nose. And then we're going to give it a sleepy eye. And on the other side, this is going to be, so this will be our moon face, and this is going to be our sun face. So we're going to have a 2-for-1 face here. And I'll go ahead and erase that line here so that we sort of see what's happening. We've got that nose. And on the sun side, we're going to put that nice big eye. So we're going to put that football shape. It's going to go up and down. And then underneath, we're going to put that sort of smiley face line. Now for the eyeball, we're just going to put the sides of it. We'll put a little bit of an eyelid on it. We'll go ahead and put that pupil in, that's the black part, and we're going to leave a little bit white for the highlight. And then if you want, we can add things like eyelashes. We can even add some little eyelashes at the bottom. Okay, like all of our projects, it looks a little weird in the middle, but it'll look better when it's done. Now we want to get that smile in. My nose is a little low, so I'm going to make it a little shorter. Bring it up a little. Okay. And now I'm going to go ahead and put that mouth in, and I'm going to make it centered right here. And I'm going to make it kind of smile. And smile. Try to make it even on both sides. If you want to do lips, you can do lips. I'm just going to go ahead and do kind of like a nice closed smile. And then I'm going to put that, this is called the Cupid's bow, where we have that little bit of the lip that goes up and down. And then I'm going to put a little smiley line to make our sun and moon look happy. All right. So now if we look at it, we're going to see that if we look at it this way, we have the moon, and if we look at this side, we'll have the sun, or if we look at the whole thing, we'll have the sun. Now we're going to go ahead and draw a line right down the middle, and then we're going to draw rays coming out. Now if you want, you can use a ruler. Or you can just go ahead and draw them coming straight out. And you can draw wiggly lines too. I like to draw my sun rays sort of coming straight out. This one's not straight up and down. This should come straight down. All right. Now we can add other lines and patterns in between each one of these to make them more exciting. Remember, these are sun rays. Now for our moon, we're going to go in a different direction. We're going to make circles that go around our moon this way. You don't have to be perfect. I'm going to keep going around and around. then I'm just going to kind of do my best here when they fall off the page. That's okay. Alright, and I'm going to do the same thing in here. Add some patterns. Doesn't have to be every row. Maybe just a few to add some visual interest. All right, once my drawing is done, I am going to go ahead and trace it with Sharpie and then erase all my pencil lines. Next week we will add colors and we'll talk about where the warm colors and cool colors come into play. All right, my friends, that's it for this week. Next week, we're going to go in and add our colors. All right, have fun.